Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here with Lashes and Kisses selling Lipsense. So if you are looking into a company to perhaps sell for, or you love your Lipsense, we have makeup, we have skincare, everything. If you're looking into us now and saying, I could sell that, I would be my best customer, so I can sell that. If that's what you're thinking, then this will be perfect, because I'm going to answer those questions for you that you're probably having, that everybody asks when they're looking to sell for a company. So question number one is, do you have to sell every month to stay active? No. This is the best company out there, because as long as you sell something every 6 months, you can stay active. So if you take a break, if you don't want to sell for 5 months, if you're doing other things, if you just sell a little bit here, a little bit there, that's okay. All the company wants you to do is sell about $200 every 6 months, okay? So that's pretty good. I know it's $200 every 6 months, I know, but it's still not that bad, because if you think about it, a Lipsense color is about $30 plus tax. A Lipsense gloss is about $25 plus tax. The remover is about $12 plus tax. So you're almost at that $200 anyway if you just get a couple people who want to buy a package. That's it. But having that said, if you don't sell, $200 every 6 months, that's okay. It's no big deal. You do not have to sell. You're not out any money at all. To join the company, it does cost $55 to join, but they do send you a nice big kit with a training package. And if you want to spend a little bit of extra money, they have 3 different kits. There's Lipsense kits, there's Lipsense makeup kits, and there's Lipsense makeup and skincare kits, which have a little bit of everything. So if you're like, okay, I'm excited, I want to sell, I want to have a good kit to get started, we do have options for you. But you don't have to buy the kit if you don't want to. If you just want to sign up to get the discount for yourself, then you would pay the $55 a year. So it's kind of like a Costco membership. If you guys have a Costco where you live, it's like a Costco membership where you pay per year to get a discount all year long. It doesn't matter if you spend a lot, it doesn't matter if you spend a little bit, but that $55 gets you the discount all year long. So it's kind of like that. So a discount, you will get a minimum of 20% off. That's pretty good, right? The more you sell, obviously, the more you make. Or I'm sorry, the more you sell, the more of a discount you get. Technically, if you wanted to buy like $600 worth of products, you will get half off. So that's pretty good. So $600 worth of product, you only pay $300. So that's pretty good, right? So again, think about it, you guys. A Lipsense is $30. A gloss is about, I don't know, $25 plus tax, and the remover is about $10 to $11. I can't remember now. And then let's say you want to buy some cleanser, some makeup, you can easily reach $300, and you will get all of that for a better deal. But if you spend $600, then you can get all of that for only $300. But more about that later. But that's kind of the main question that people ask is, I want to sell it. I don't know if I can. I want to try. Am I going to be out a lot of money if it doesn't work? No. You could technically sign up, pay the $55 and not do anything. No big deal. No big deal. Another thing that people ask me a lot is, if you have people sign up under you who want to sell, do you make money from what they sell? Yes. And the most amazing thing about this company is that you don't have to have 10 people on your team to make money. That's where a lot of those other companies fall short, is you have to have a team of 5 people to even make 10% of what your team is making. But it has to be like 5 people. Well, you might not have people on your team. So how is that fair? With this company, you could have 1 person and you will make money from everything they order. How amazing is that? There is a little bit of a catch though. You do have to order every single month if you want to make commission from your team. So there is a little bit of a catch to it, but think about it. Let's say your team is selling a lot. You could easily make commission from them and then use that money that you made for them to order your products every single month to keep you know, getting that commission, if that makes sense. If that sounds confusing, let me know. I do have a full training for my team to explain that a little bit better, but I don't want to take up too much time for you guys here, but it's like super easy. But just to think about it in a simple way is, yes, you make commission from your team, even if it's just one person. Trust me, it adds up. In commission, I make anywhere from like the minimum side of things, about $200 a month, up to like $700 a month, depending on like how many people I have on my team at that time who place an order. So if you're making that a month for doing nothing, that's pretty good, right? Right? I think so. So it's kind of a good way to get people started. And even if you're a student who, you know, you want a job, but you don't really want to put in the hours somewhere, this is a great thing to get started. And again, the best thing is if you don't sell anything, oh well, that's okay. You might be out $55. I mean, what's the big deal, right? But even then, you're not out any money because you can still order products for yourself whenever you want, and you can have all of the sales, all of the discounts, because this company usually does like a big sale every single month for their for the people who do sell for the company. Like just last month, there was a deal where if you ordered one thing, that's it, you would get a Lipsense free of charge. So that's like getting one for free. Order one thing, it didn't matter how much you had ordered, and you get one free of charge. Another deal they had was kind of the same thing, where if you spend $600, if you put $600 worth of things in your cart, you will get all of that half off. So you planned to spend that anyway, but then they knock off half off. So you only pay $300 for $600 worth of products. If you want to sell and you're serious about it, and you do sell a lot every single month, they will give you things for free every single month. There's prizes like every single month too for whoever sells the most, like in your team. So it's just kind of nice to be a part of those challenges, because if you work hard, it's kind of nice for people to know that, right? And the harder you work, the more you get paid. But if you don't want to work hard, if you just want to put in maybe an hour a week or something, it's quite possible to sell. Like there's no pressure. You don't have to sell like a certain amount per month. There's no pressure, which is so nice. And if you guys need help, I'm here to help you. I have people on my team from all over the place. You do not have to be in Canada. I'm in Canada, but you don't have to be. And I specialize in training online and selling online. I've never had a home party. When I first started, I would do bridal parties, which was awesome, but I had more time. Now I don't have a lot of time, so I do everything online and I sell a lot, and my team does amazing. So we are awesome. There is never any pressure. We don't have you post like 10 times a day, no pressure. We do things the right way, if I can say that. So those are common questions. Does anybody have any other questions? Let me know if I forgot something. Those are just honestly the common ones. I wanted to keep it short and sweet for you. You can get a discount of 20% off to like half off, like depending on how much you spend. You don't have to order every single month. You can order at least once every 6 months. You are perfectly fine. You will stay active. To stay active, it's about $55 per year. That's it. That's pretty good. That's cheaper than any other company out there. And I do help you guys come tax time, meaning if you plan to make this like your part-time income and you're making a lot of money, over $3,000, you will need to claim this on your taxes, and I can help you with that because I know just what to do. I hired a very good accountant who did explain everything to me, but you don't have to worry about taxes. Trust me. Not yet, but I just wanted to let you guys know that if you are planning to do this, you can make amazing money and I can help you. I do it part-time because I'm doing tons of things and I still make a very, very good income. I looked at my, because I'm in Canada, so I looked at my T4 and just in commissions last year, which it was a little bit of a slow year for me because we had moved. We got married, so I did take about 6 months off, but I made about $2,000 in commission, like $2,300, and that's for doing nothing. Like that would take us on a nice trip, you know. I think we painted our house with that money, and we renovated the kitchen. So you know things add up. But yeah, you guys, let me know if any questions. I do hope that that helped. If there's something that you want me to talk about, please just let me know because I need ideas. Okay, so thank you guys. I will see you in the next one. If you would like to sign up under me, I do leave the link for you guys on the bottom. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit subscribe and then you can see more. And make sure to click like too, okay, so that I know people are actually watching. Thank you guys. Have a good day.